Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'm in the kitchen again and I'll be making beef soup. Here I have some beef, peas and garlic. I have pumpkin, chocho and turnip. So I'm going to add them into the pot now. I'm going to add some water and I'm going to leave to pressure. I'm going to leave this to pressure for approximately 15 minutes. I transferred it to a bigger pot, so I'm going to add some water now, cover and leave to boil. It's boiling now, so I'm going to add my dumplings and my ground provision. This is my dough for the dumplings. I already showed you I make it in a previous video. And here I have some yam, sweet potato and Irish potato. I'm giving it a little stir so that the dumplings won't stick together and the peas won't stick to the bottom of the pot. I'm adding scallion, thyme and sweet pepper now. I'm using 2 sachets of Maggi Soup It Up. I'm using a mixture of chicken, all-purpose, and other seasonings. You can use any seasoning of your choice to season up your soup. Remember that you can alter my recipes to your liking. So the soup is almost ready. I have reduced the heat. So remember to stir your soup occasionally so that the food won't stick to the bottom of the pot. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope my video helped someone, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.